Hooray for you! Look at you tuning into a beater box video with some dorky white dude. You the bomb. .org. It's a .org, so that means it's a not-for-profit organization. Hi, I'm SB Mitch. Welcome to the channel, and welcome back, pals! You could follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. I also have a website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. All the shoes from this box that we're opening today will be on that website at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, that's the end of the sentence, I think. Before we jump into this box, I want to give you a quick reminder. Brick 66 ends this Sunday. There's a whole bunch of shoes. I don't even remember how many. On my eBay page, you can find the link to the eBay down in the video description. I almost lost that sentence. But yeah, I started all the listings at $6.66 plus shipping, and we do ship internationally. But yeah, check that out. Again, the link to my eBay store is in the video description. Keep in mind also, the eBay store is only for Brick 66. I don't put anything else on there, so don't expect to see anything cool. This is just stuff I'm tired of looking at and want to get gone. So, it's Beater Box Friday. This beater box is from Sole Supremacy, which is a shop outside of San Francisco, California that has a members-only beater box program that is unfortunately closed to the public, but it's still a really cool shop. They do eBay too. Check them out. SoleSupremacy.com. This box was one of 3 boxes I got last week. It's definitely the most expensive of all 3 of them. Came in at $950 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. I got a friend named Cece who works at a rehab center. Referring to the video of the man with the very thick Chicago accent helping that coyote puppy.
It's gonna take you to a rehab. My friend Cece works in a rehab.
For a grand total of $990, just a shade under a grand. I said grand twice in that sentence. Whoops. These boxes are priced under market, so there's a really good opportunity to make some money, but follow along. With clearance, it's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market, and then we'll break it down at the end to show you how much I paid for the box versus how much the box is actually worth. But we got to find out what's in there first, so let's do that. I generally like to stay away from this kind of box. I mean, I kind of like to stay in the like $450 to like $750 range, because those boxes seem to do the best. These boxes are definitely more of a risk. Hey, a purple box SB is right on top. That's pretty cool. Hopefully it's a good purple box SB, and hopefully it's in my size, because that would be neat. But we'll get to that later. Let's get these grade school pairs out of the way. There's no loose shoes too. That's rare, no loose shoes. So we got a 6th Youth Air Jordan 6 Retro BG. This is a pair of infrared 6s. They are worn, but still really good condition. You can see it's still got the lace locks and everything. It doesn't look like there's any paint issues. Super lightly worn. You can still see the size sticker in there. That's what it's called. Solid shape, just a little bitty size. It's got some outsole wear, but that's about it. Here's your first shoe out. 6th Youth Jordan 6 Infrared from 2014. The original box. That is the original box, right? Does it say infrared on here? Yes, it is. Cool, that is the original box. Got a Nike sportswear box. Looks like a foam. I mean, if you ever see a FOAMPOSITE box that doesn't look like it's been through a tornado, then go buy a lottery ticket, because you're one of the luckiest people in the world. This is an Air FOAMPOSITE 1 NRG. Whoa! Oh, this might be the money shoe and I didn't realize it. So, wow. This is the 2012 release of these, but these are in phenomenal shape. Yeah, there's a couple things in here. These are the Galaxy foams. This is crazy. These are worth a really good amount of money, and it's a size 12, which is a good size for FOAMPOSITEs. I did not expect this to be the second shoe out, so that's pretty crazy. Really good shape. I mean, you can see the bottoms, they're just discolored because it is like a 7-year-old shoe. No major scuffs on the upper or anything. It's a beautiful foam. And it's got the original box too, I want to say. And the tag thingy says removed before flight. Whoa, I'm sure Clarence just went crazy right now, but yeah, there you go. Size 12, very near dead stock condition. Galaxy foams. Neat. Wow, did not expect that. I don't know how much those are worth, but I'm sure it's probably at least half of the box value. Let's come back down from that high with a Nike SB. Purple box era is one of my favorite eras. This is a size 13, so it's a little big. It's not gonna fit on me. Okay, this is a worn pair. I believe these are just called KHAKI. This is a It's a khaki Nike Dunk High SB, suede mudguard, leather vamp. Everything is leather except for this mudguard. I don't know why, but you can see the colorway is very reminiscent of the Premier Win Some Lose Some colorway. Very little insole wear, which is very cool for dunks. Just a little bit of outsole wear because it looks like they were worn a little bit, but no star loss, no heel drag, nothing. Comes with these secondary laces too. I don't know what these are worth, probably not much. Also being a size 13 is pretty rough when it comes to SBs, but still a nice looking shoe. Size 13, I wanna say khaki Dunk SB, probably from like 2008, 2009, something like that. Cool. Wow, I'm still reeling from those foams. Got 4 more in here. Got an Air Jordan. No, this looks like a replacement box. It just says 11.5 and there's a picture of, I think what, those are Cherry 13s on there? Yep, these are the 2010 release. I believe they're Cherry 13s. I could be wrong though. Could just be like red and white. Not really good with 13s. The hologram is not covered up. It was cloudy, but I just got it off. I mean, you can see there's very little wear on these. Really good shape. No fading. A little bit of outsole wear. I'm not huge on 13s, obviously, because if I was, I would know what the heck these are. But it is a size 11.5. Looks like a replacement box. I gotta check the SKU on it. Is it 103? Yeah, it's definitely a replacement box. Still a good shoe though. Size 11.5. Jordan 13s. It's like a 4. Is this a 4? Yeah, it's a 4. This is a size 12 Jordan 4. All right, this is actually cool. This is a lightly worn pair. Fear 4s. This is a really nice pair. Yeah, these are in good shape too. Doesn't look like there's any cracking on the midsole. No, we're good. You can see the insole has a little bit of wear. Little bit of outsole wear. There is some star loss. Yeah, these are in solid shape. Comes with the hang tag, but I don't see the ball bearings with it though. But yeah, cool. This is a very good get. This is a very iconic 4. One of the better colorways in my opinion. I love the Fear Pack, the 3, 4, and 5. All really good shoes. But this is an Air Jordan 4 Retro Fear in a size 12. I don't believe it's the original box. 030. Yep, looks like it is the original box. Cool. 2 more, both Jordans. Got a 3 and something else. Let's grab the something else. I like 3s, we'll save that for last. It's an Air Jordan 14 Retro and a size 11. This is the 2014 release of the Wolf Gray, I wanna say, 14s. These are in pretty okay shape. You can see the outsole has a little bit of wear on it, a little bit of creasing throughout, just needs a good solid cleanup. No major flaws or anything, that's cool. The problem with 14s is this paint right here it gets like really sticky and kind of weird. Slick colorway. This is my size. I'm not huge on 14s, but this is a really nice colorway. I'm a sucker for gray. So size 11, Wolf Gray 14s. Cool. One more, it's a 3, as I said. Air Jordan 3 Retro in a size 12. This is the 2011 release of the White Cement 3. I just had an 11.5 that sold, and these are in really good shape too. So there is some midsole paint cracking, especially along the heel and by the air unit, which is very common for a shoe, especially 8 years old. But love this colorway, very clean. The heel tab is a little bit discolored, and the midsole mudguard area is a little bit discolored too. Tiny bit of star loss on the forefoot, but yeah, this is a really nice pair. These still go for a good amount too, so size 12. White Cement 3 is your last shoe in this $950 Sole Supremacy beater box that I accidentally opened up the money shoe 2 shoes in. I'm gonna have to do a lot of guessing, but let's go ahead and give this box a grade. Get a grade through 3 categories: condition, sizes, and value. We're gonna guess. That's how this thing works. Let's do condition first. There are 7 pairs of shoes in this $950 Sole Supremacy beater box. None of them are dead stock. At least one of them has a replacement box, but they're all in pretty solid shape. Condition on this box, we'll say about a B. Sizes, we have 6 youth, 12, 13, 11.5, 12, 11, and 12. Sizes are a little bit bigger. Without taking into account what models they are, sizes aren't really that good, but you kind of have to. So sizes, I'm gonna say about a B. Value. The money shoe was clearly the foams, but the rest of the box has pretty consistent value, and it's all models that are gonna be pretty easy to move. Value on this box, I gotta give a pretty solid A-. So with the grade of B for condition, the grade of B for sizes, and the grade of A- for value, this $950 Sole Supremacy beater box on Beater Box Friday gets a letter grade of B+. So I took a wild guess, gave this box a B+. How wrong am I? Let's find out. Yeah, I can't believe I grabbed those foams second. That was crazy. I never expect a FOAMPOSITE to be a money shoe, but that's probably the most, besides from like the Paranormans, those are probably one of the more iconic FOAMPOSITEs of all time. So, If you're interested in any of these shoes, they will be on my website today at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that website is ransomnotesneakers.com. You can find the link to that in the video description too. Along with that, you'll also find a link to my eBay store. Brick66 ends this Sunday, so that'll be pretty cool. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you like what's going on, you can like it. If you dislike what's going on, you can dislike it. The internet, it's a wonderful thing. Appreciate you. We will see you soon. Sunday, we have another beater box for you because I have 2 more to open. So till next time, take care of each other, and I will see you soon. Bye!